What's going on, guys? Trey May 10 back again with another Zox mystery pack unboxing. Today I'm wearing a strap I just got today that's called Far Out. It's got a bunch of crazy little designs going on. We got a sun throwing up peace signs, space dogs and cats and planets with faces. And on the inside it says Far Out. I just had to get this one. It was nice and crazy. And so for today's mystery pack we've got 4 of them. That's because with this order, the one I'm wearing, I ordered a single mystery pack. And the Zox Bros made an announcement that starting, it was like Monday or something, they were going to start sneaking in Season 2 mystery straps into the monthly subscriptions. And so we might have the Season 2 strap in here already, which would be pretty awesome. Without further ado, let's start seeing what we got. We'll start with the single one that we got. And we got Vanity is Insanity, which is one of the Season 1 straps. It says, "Beauty comes from within." And it's got the gingerbread, so I think this is, you know, the bad apple from Snow White. I think it is. That's a pretty cool one. That was number 649. I almost forgot to show you guys the inside. Vanity is Insanity with a big ol' apple. Alright. And now let's get into this month's mystery pack, where we might find a Season 2 strap. Starting off, we got Destined for Greatness, 1978. Don't let someone who gave up on their dreams talk you out of yours. And we got, I think, Arthur about to pull Excalibur from the stone. That's pretty cool. Destined for Greatness. And then on the inside we've got the same. Alright, on to the next one. And we got another one from that same series, Chivalry Isn't Dead, number 991. Respect for ourselves guides our morals. Respect for others guides our manners. And I couldn't tell you who's on this, but we've got a knight. It's got a sword and shield, and then the same thing on the inside. Chivalry isn't dead. Okay, okay. And then our last one, we got Gibbon, which is one of the primates. It's number 1008. By swinging through trees, gibbons can travel up to 35 miles an hour. They can even clear gaps of up to 50 feet with a single swinging leap. Wow. Nice little fun fact about gibbons. And then on our strap we've got this nice little floral pattern with all kinds of little gibbons hanging around, doing gibbon things. And then on the inside it says gibbon with that same pattern. Nice, okay. So since in 2 weeks season 2 is releasing, I went on to Facebook on Zox List and found all of the Primates season 1 straps and all of the Namaste season 1 straps, and bought those so that I could turn them in for the Moonstones. And so when those get here, I'm going to unbox them all together and show me packaging them up to send them off to Zox, and then we'll get another video of the unboxing of the Moonstones. And so, like I said, I did Namaste and Primates. So, I'm excited. The Primates Moonstone is really cool. I can't wait to get that. And those are the only 2 that I'm collecting from season 1. And then from season 2 there was like 3 or so that I wanted to collect. So we'll also do a little Moonstone video for those. Make sure you like and subscribe so I know that you want to see the Moonstone adventures and more Zox unboxings. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.